right from the beginning, I think better, you see, to keep your mind, or things will be more complicated, more difficult. So then must, you see, prepare emotionally, or things may not be easy, so that when certain difficulties, certain obstacles happen, because you already prepared in your mind, will not disturb much. If you take for granted, things will be okay, and some sort of obstacles happen, then too much sort of disturbances, too much even sort of sadness or discourage, these things happen. So that I would like to share with you. Or then, I think within short period, as your report you mentioned, I think short period, I think you really achieve, I think, marvelous sort of achievement. Wonderful. Now I want to share some of my sort of feeling or view. In a great nation, even population-wise, I think after China, India, great sort of populated sort of nation. And meantime, India become most populated democratic country. And naturally, very important for whole Asia, even for whole world. Then if you look back past few thousand years, I always feel this continent, I think a continent where most great thinkers, philosophers produce this continent. No other country, no other continents. As far as I know, 3,000, since I was around 3,000 years. Very sophisticated philosophical views develop in this continent. That goes through several centuries. Of course, my own knowledge very limited, but according to my sort of rough, rather limited knowledge, compare Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, and eventually civilization of this continent. I think as far as certain sort of views or concept about reality in various levels, I think most sophisticated philosophy developed in this continent. That's clear. So therefore, if our method or if our approach become unrealistic, then no matter what sincere motivation and reasonable goal will not achieve. So, very purpose of education is to fulfill that goal and getting fuller knowledge. The goal, the path, how to achieve, and also is very important to know present condition. Without thinking the present sort of condition or states, just thinking about method or goal also become unrealistic. So we have to get fuller picture about what the present condition, and on that basis, how do we build happy life? Then I think firstly, I want to express my deep congratulations to those students who got this degree out of your sort of lot of effort. And also, I think, immense help from kind teachers, professors, or these teachers. So I would like to express my congratulations. And then, also I remind my own sort of case. After sort of several years study, the final examination, I a little bit excited and also a little bit anxious. I think you also have the same experience, isn't it? So, I think as a lifetime, life in a life, now you already got or reach certain level, you more or less accomplished your study. Now real life, eventually real life begin. In a way, while you carry study, school or college or university, still there's a certain sort of way is something sort of fixed and take for granted. Now your real life start, no guarantee. Everything depends on yourself. So